Hello everyone, so if you want to connect a VPN on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, so first of all find your Play Store, now find your search tab, and in your search tab you are to search for any kind of VPN application which you trust, for example Turbo VPN. So get it, press install. Now as it is installed, press open. Press green continue because you must to go through their terms of services and privacy policy. Now you've got some advertisements, so simply close them. So to connect, tap to connect. You will be prompted to give some permissions. You are to give these permissions because otherwise VPN won't work. So press OK, press consent. And as you see, as we connected to it, we've got this little VPN sign right here at the top right corner. And basically that's it. That's how you connect to a VPN. When you're done with your work, simply open up your... I'm sorry for this advertisement. So when you're done with your work, open up your VPN once again. Wait until your advertisement will finish because it's a free application. Got some advertisements, fine. When you want to stop it, simply press on the cross, confirm your choice by pressing disconnect, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.